Sakyan muna natin tong LiveWire na rin. Nakasilensyo, my goodness! It's such a beautiful bike! Dali mo, batang-bata!
Turn it on low, turn it on high. Go suspension on it.
Shout out to this guy, you know how to speak Tagalog.
Tayo, sala-sala, sama-sama. Sa sarap ng Liberty Evaporada.
Hindi ko po na-expect na ako po yung makakapag-ride test. Hindi ko po inaasahan. Tinext lang po ako ng isang tropa.
It's such a beautiful day! My goodness!
So today guys, pupunta po tayo sa Seattle. Pupunta po tayo sa Seattle ngayon. Naka-receive po tayo ng isang text message sa ating kaibigan si Brother Ray. Tayo po ay pupunta sa Seattle ngayon at meron po tayong i-check na bike, bagong labas na bike. Tayo po ay magpapagas po muna. So yun na nga po guys, tayo po ay pupunta sa Seattle ngayon. Meron daw pong bagong labas na motor ngayon. Check daw po namin yung bagong labas na motor, which is yung electric. Siya po ay electric motor, hindi po siya V-twin. May bagong labas daw po. Ito po yung LiveWire ng Harley-Davidson. So syempre check po natin. Ngayon ko lang din po makikita sa personal itong bike na to. Puntahan po natin syempre. Pasok tayo ng freeway guys. So pabiyahin po natin 23 miles. Kakana po tayo. Kung makikita nyo po yung panahon ngayon, no? It's such a beautiful day. My goodness! Look at that! Kung mapapansin nyo po guys, kanina pong umaga umuulan bukas din po alam ko uulan My goodness! Parabis na yan, oh. So samahan nyo po ako. Tayo po ay babiyahe papunta Seattle today. Doon, check po natin sa isang coffee shop doon yung bagong labas po ng Harley-Davidson, which is yung electric motorcycle nila. So bagong labas po nila yon. Ngayon ko pa lang po makikita. Wala pa po sa mga display ng Harley-Davidson. Pagbigyan mo ako, brother. So ganito po ang itsura ng freeway dito guys. So may Tesla right there. So mukhang papa-electric na po lahat, ano? Pati yung mga bike electric na rin. Like itong Tesla, oh. Dumadami na rin po ang electric vehicle. Pero hindi ko alam kung magkano yung presyo ng LiveWire. Tingnan po natin pagdating po natin doon yung presyo ng LiveWire. Pero alam ko po matindi-tindi ang presyuan May kabigatan din ang presyo Pwede nga pala mag-carpool. So magka-carpool ako. Ito po yung lane po na yan guys. Kailangan dalawa kayo sa sasakyan. Hindi pwede yung isa lang. Pero yung motor po pwede. Kita nyo po, nandiyan po yung mga karamihan ng sasakyan, di ba? Ang ratio kasi ng sasakyan dito 1:1 So nakita nyo po yung mga sasakyan dyan, isa lang din ang naman. Oh my goodness, yung phone ko baka malaglag. Taragis na yan Malalaglag ang phone ko. Hindi ko na secure. Secure natin. Oh, tara guys. Kamontik na. Patago natin. Kamontik na. My goodness. Kamontik na mahulog ang telepono. My goodness. Ayan po yung downtown Seattle guys, yung may mga building na yun, yan downtown Seattle. Saka yung lake sa gitna, marami nagbo-boating, kayaking, basta marami nagtitrip dyan. Meron din silang ride the duck. Badass. That's what's up. Eto na, exit natin. Nasaan yung mga bike? Ayun o. 8 PM to 11 PM. Ayun yung LiveWire. Yung mga tropa dito. Ayun si Brother Ray. Ayun LiveWire o. What's up, bro? Huh?
They just took it out.
For real?
I just got done writing.
Did you try it? Did you write it already?
Try it. Just give you a license to them and send you.
For real? How was it? Huh?
It's weird, bro. There's no clutch.
For real?
Just like if you let go of the gas, it just slows down by itself, and you just
Right. Damn. Hey, what up, bro?
How you doing?
Good, man.
Good ride?
Oh, yeah, where do you sign up? Right here?
I know you've got the helmet on and everything.
Sorry, my bad.
No, you're okay. I just need to validate that you've got a...
Yeah. Is it okay if I film you guys? So.
Yeah, I'm sure it is. Sorry,
What is this?
Can I just write your name down?
So there's a power bank.
Yeah.
So it's a free, huh?
Yeah,
Oh,
they give you
nice.
a pretty good swag.
Wow. Ay, shit, may libre pang power bank, huh?
Yeah, electric bike, electric
Yep.
battery.
Electric bike, electric battery, yeah.
Hell of a lot better than the little
Nice.
wristbands you get at most gigs.
Alright. Nice. Thank you.
For sure.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too, enjoy.
Yep. Ah, may libre pang ano, ha? Oh, taragis na yan, ha? Oh. So may group ride pala, guys. So guys, ito try nga natin to. I wanna try it first.
Jump on up there.
Yeah, okay, cool. Oh, there's no clutch. It's fucking weird, man.
Very, very different. So to arm the system,
Right?
turn the bike on
Mm-hmm.
and let it load. It is electric.
Okay.
Start. You're just gonna hold down on the start button and nice.
You ready to start?
Keep it below 65 on the rack here. But you are good to go.
Good to go. The brake is here.
Yeah, front brake, back brake, same as those.
Alright.
No clutch. No shifter.
Where's the monitor at?
Oh, there isn't one on this unit.
Damn, it's on now.
What's that?
It's good now. Oh. It's running now. Nice. Fast. Oh. too much torque?
You go to 0 to 60 in like a second.
3 seconds. Oh, shit.
No, in the 1 second you go to 0 to 60, bro.
Damn, that's what's up, bro. You think it's faster than your bike
Oh yeah.
on the torque?
But it's just dangerous on the freeway. Nobody can hear you.
Nobody can hear. That's right, bro. That's a nice bike, bro.
So like this one you can switch to like sport mode.
Right.
Yeah, there's like 5 different modes.
Does it have sleep mode, bro? Galing naman. Yan. Paikutin mo na yan, bro.
A few inches later.
Hey, bro. Question. I'm already registered, right? So I'll just have to wait.
Yeah, stand by a bike, I'll come and scan you in.
Alright, bro. Give me a heads up on this bike, bro.
Turn the bike on, you're going to start it off in accessory mode.
Cool.
It's going to tell you pretty much everything that you need to do to start the bike. It's going to give you the prompt to put the kickstand up.
Right.
Once you do that, it's going to let you know to press and hold this lightning bolt right there.
Cool.
It's going to turn the bike all the way on. We have 4 different ride modes. You're currently in road mode.
Right.
So you don't have a clutch, no gear shift.
Yeah, that's weird, man.
Yeah. So the weirdest thing is going to be trying to coast. Like when you let go of that throttle and just want to
Right.
roll a little bit, you don't have any way to just pull that clutch. So road mode is going to be your easiest, more clutch-friendly type of
Right.
ride. And once you let go of that throttle, you roll a little bit. Hit this mode button right here.
Mm-hmm.
Let it select. Hit to the sport mode.
The sports mode. That's what's up, bro.
Torque. It's going to be a more aggressive, regenerative brake.
Right.
Hit it again. It'll take you to rain mode.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to give you a lot of extra traction on the back tire. And you're going to coast as well. And then eco mode is going to be less torque to pull off with, but you're going to save on your battery life.
Right.
So when you slow down to, you're going to feel that region. It's actually pretty aggressive.
So how many miles can reach for the full charge?
140 miles.
140 miles? Nice. And then how many hours to full charge?
So if you go to a public charging station and plug in right here, so
Oh,
1 hour.
that's what's up, bro.
Yeah, 1 hour.
1 hour for 140 miles. Is that in the highway or on the street?
So that'd be city.
City.
Yeah,
That's
so highway
badass.
is actually 90. So you're going to have less on the highway.
Okay.
Because in the city, you're going to have more stop and go traffic. The more you slow down, it's going to help you recharge that battery, regenerate that.
Nah.
All right, like I was telling the man, just go ahead and flip that switch right there down. This way. It's going to put it to accessory mode.
Mm-hmm.
The bike's going to give you all the prompts necessary to go ahead and start it. So say to put that kickstand up, and then press and hold. There you go.
This one?
Yeah, press and hold the lightning bolt. Those yellow lights turn green, now the bike is active.
Okay.
Anywhere, it's ready to go.
It's ready to go? I'm gonna turn it off.
Leave it on.
Huh?
Leave it on.
Just leave it on?
Yeah, leave it on. Now you're going to start the whole cycle all over again. Wait for it. Now you go. Just don't.
Yeah, don't throttle it. Damn, so ito.
Ride mode right now.
What's that?
You're in ride mode right now. Do you want it in sport mode?
Yeah, please. Yeah. So right now it's on the sport mode. So right now, so ngayon po guys, nasa sport mode daw po. Sabi nila malakas daw po ang torque nito. Tragis na yan. Banata natin. So weird ano, walang clutch. Para ka nag-i-scooter pala. Shoutout po sa mga scooter. Sa mga nang scooter dyan. Ako po dati naka-scooter po 50cc, kinonvert ko po na 90cc. Nakarating ng Baguio, nakarating ng Palayan City, Pantabangan. Kahit nung ako po bata-bata pa, mga 15 anyo siguro ako, 15 hanggang 20 anyo sa Pilipinas. So guys, eto na po.
Meanwhile, 2 hours later.
Shout out to this guy. You know, I'll speak Tagalog, man.
I'll do a Filipino commercial that I grew up with in 1971, and it was Liberty Evaporada, and it was tayo sala sama sa sarap ng Liberty Evaporada. Tayo sala sama sa sarap ng Liberty Evaporada. Yeah, and also there was Baguio oil. Order ni Mrs. Baguio oil. Yeah.
When was this? How old were you?
1968 to 70, and I was only 11 to 13 years old. My father was stationed in Clark Air
Okay, all Clark Air Base in Pampanga. What's your name again, sir?
Base. Larry Lloyd.
My name is Kenny, sir. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you,
Mr. Larry. Shout out to Mr. Larry, right?
Yes.
Larry.
And I remember that when they had wrestling,
Wrestling.
boxing,
Yeah.
they would give the winner a can of Baguio oil,
Right.
and they would give him
Baguio
some,
oil, eh?
they would give him towels.
That's what's up.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
what's up. It's classic. Shout out to Mr. Larry right here.
It's great. I love
Yeah.
the Philippines.
Yeah.
You people are fantastic. You taught me a lesson I'll never forget, and that is that you don't have to have lots of stuff to be
Right.
happy.
Oh yeah.
That was what I learned when I lived in the
Right.
Philippines. I told my father, I said, you know, I see so many happy people, and they don't have barely anything at all, but they're happy.
All right. Even if they only eat once a day, they all smiling, right?
Yeah. Well, see,
They're all
my
happy.
father used to inspect the pipeline from
Right.
Big Bay to Clark Air Base.
Right.
And he took me on a Jeep ride to inspect the pipeline. We're out in the middle of the jungle,
Dang.
and he used to bring candy, and he would give it to the kids out in the jungle.
Right.
And they're living in nipa huts with the
Kubo,
pigs
yeah.
underneath the house, right?
Yes, sir.
And that's when I told my father, I said, I can't believe these people are so happy. They don't need all the stuff that we do.
So shout out to all Filipinos in the Philippines, right?
Yes, yeah.
Can you tell me about this bike? Tell me a little bit about this bike, bro.
Well, for example, it's about 560 pounds.
Right.
Okay. The battery unit is all here. Okay. And they put fins on it to reflect what the old bikes were with the air cooled, but it also helps as a heat sink for cooling the batteries.
Right.
Okay. The engine is all lower center, put down low, and also it has a setup in the magnets on the motor that it actually, I don't know if you noticed, but when you're sitting on the bike, it feels like a heartbeat.
Right. Yeah. I
You
noticed
can
that.
turn that off, you can turn it on low, or you can turn it on high. And that's to remind you that the bike is running.
Okay.
Okay. It's a bevel-driven gear that goes to the belt drive.
Right.
So that's why the engine's mounted this way, so it's driving straight that way, but the bevel drive runs the side gear for the belt drive.
What's up?
The Showa suspension on it, Showa front and rear.
The motor shack, you can tell right there.
Yeah, and you can adjust your rebound and your this frame right here, I don't know if you're aware, but they made it modular. So in future bikes coming out, they're going to be using this on different model bikes.
Okay.
So the seats might change in the setup, the other parts of the bike. The way they cast this was to make other bikes.
It's like bolt on, right?
Yeah.
You can change all the parts
together. They can change it and actually start making some cruisers out of it, maybe some touring bikes.
That's what's up, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just a fun drive.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Ayun na po guys, ite-test ride po natin itong LiveWire. Hindi ko po ina-expect na makakapag hindi ko po ina-expect na ako po yung makakapag-ride test. Hindi ko po inaasahan. Tinext lang po ako ng isang tropa. Nakapag-ride din po doon, and then dito hindi ko po ina-expect. So let's see kung ano po ang alright bro, try natin. Oh, it's weird, man. Walang clutch, guys.
Riders, can you hear me? Thumbs up, can you hear me? Perfect. Alright, so check it out. You have a 10-minute, 2-mile ride. You have a lead driver over there and a follower. They're both wearing bright yellow vests. Thumbs up, you see 2 green lights on the side of your screen. Alright, let's get that.
Let's try it. Let's get it on, man.
Have a good ride, fellas.
Parang naka-sports bike pala eh. Try natin. Holy shit. Bilis. It's weird, man. Oh, targes. Ang bilis, guys, ha. Ang targes na yan. That's weird. Para walang tunog. Nakasilensyo. Oh my goodness, it's such a beautiful bike. My goodness. Woo! Truck lang, hinto ba? Humihinto. Tragis na yan, oh. Nasa likod ko. Kakanan tayo. It's weird, man. Parang sports bike. Ay putrak, nakakatakot. Mabilis, oh. Humakaginit, guys. Putragis na yan, oh. Putragis. Mabilis, guys. So ayun na po, guys, ano, ito po ay LiveWire electric motorcycle. Bumabanking-banking pa, oh. Meron kumukuha ron. May photographer. Guys, ang lakas ng torque niya. 0 to 60 miles per hour. Mga 3 seconds to 4 seconds kuha niya. Putragis na yan. So itong mga banking na ganyan, no? Hinataw. Guys, kinakana ko yung sinilyador, guys. Humihingi pa ng ano eh, parang kalahati pa lang. Humihingi pa ng isang tulen. Kaya lang hindi makapag-stretch dito eh. Wala kasing stretch eh. Humihingi pa po ng barurot eh. Medyo naiiwan-iwan ng kaluluha, guys, ha, pagka binabarurot, ha. Tragis na yan, ha. Ang sarap bakerohin, guys. Kung mapapasin niyo po, walang katunog-tunog. Silensyo. Para kang nagra-ride din ng Tesla. Ako po, nakapagmaneho na ako ng Tesla. Ang lakas din humatak ng Tesla eh. Ito naman, version ng Tesla. Version ng Tesla pero motor naman. Dahil yung Tesla mabilis din eh. My goodness! Woo! Ganda, oh. Woo! Putragis. Naiiwan ako na makakasama ko, ha. Mabilis ini-enjoy din nila, ha. Putragis. So ito po, guys, ang LiveWire. Ang riding position po niya, guys, upright. So ang ganda ng riding position niya. Medyo hindi nakakangawit. Kaya lang yung pressure nandun sa ano, sa harapan. Parang nakatukod yung kamay ko. So may pressure po sa palm. Pagka sa long ride, parang sasakit siya after mga 200 miles. Pero so far so good. Ang ganda ng riding position. Para po siyang cafe racer. Trakla na yan, bilis, oh. Nakakatakot, guys, si Kana. At ang ano, ang bilis niyang kunin yung ano, yung bilis, yung speed, guys. Ang bilis. Nakaka-enjoy ito, guys, ha. Nag-enjoy ako, ha. That's what's up. It's fast, man. Man. It's sport mode, yeah. Damn. That's badass. What's up? Nice bike. Nice fairing. I like your fairing. Yeah. Woo! Ganda guys, oh. Makikita nyo, ang lupit, oh. Forme, no? 0 to 60. My goodness! It's such a beautiful bike. Tapos na yung round natin. Pwede pang umisa pa. Taragis na yan. Ayos. Success. Sarap, sarap, sarap. Badass, bro. Stop. Stand.
How was the ride, fellas?
Oh man, that's fucking awesome, bro. Fucking fast, bro. Damn. Woo! Ang ganda ng bike na to, Brad. Lupit, 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 lupit.
One winner later. Meanwhile, later, just then. What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Ito po ang first electric motorcycle ng Harley-Davidson. Check po natin guys, ito.
Such a beautiful day! My goodness!